Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we'll be learning on how to solve another type of basic equation, except this time there's a twist. This time the x variable is being squared. So let's see if we can figure out how to solve this. So we'll begin with the standard procedure of dividing 48 by 3 to isolate x squared. So x squared equals 16 because 48 divided by 3 is 16. Then let's see if you can figure out what to do. That's right, you square root x and 16 because they're equal. Square root this, square root that, and you get x equals 4. Next up, we divide negative 20 by negative 2. We got x squared equals 10. And what you may know is that you cannot square root 10. That's why on some of these equations, you'll actually leave it just like that, and x equals square root 10. But since anything can be square rooted by negative or positive, you do plus minus square root 10. And over here, I'm going to leave out all of the negative numbers in these answers, but be aware that there is always going to be a negative solution for a square root equation. Next up, we got x squared times 1/2 equals 2. And what many people confuse and don't know is that when you're multiplying something by 1/2, you're in fact dividing, because x squared times 1 will be equivalent to x squared divided by 2. So multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 2, and we got x squared equals 4, and square root 4 is x equals 2. This time, instead of a number being multiplied, we have a number being added and subtracted. So over here, we will subtract 6 from both sides to isolate x squared, and we get x squared equals 49, or x equals 7. Sorry, I'm not leaving out any spaces over here. And on the last one, since you can't square root 3, just as the problem over here, you'll just leave it as x equals plus minus square root 3. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another episode. Just in case you're wondering, I get all of this math information from Math Nation. This video is not sponsored. Go check them out. They're really cool. Have a nice day, and bye-bye.